Y'all, we are here at the coast house. We're loading up the boat, about to get ready to go. It's about 7 a.m. and we're gonna go have some fun, hopefully catch some trout. If not, we're gonna get some really good videos. So let's go. Pelicans, I'm like right there. Oh my god.
Let me know it.
Ah. I have nothing for you. Ah, look at it. One's got a bent fin.
Start doing a little circle like that.
Fun fact, you're not supposed to feed the dolphins, so just look and enjoy. It's so cool. And we are by St. Catherine's Island over here. Very pretty. All right, we will continue the journey to the fishing spot. That wind is coming. We're McQueen's. You can throw the first row with some live shrimp. Got a core. Let's see what we got.
It just gets deeper and deeper right here. Got a dink, Peter.
Yeah. Let's see what we're gonna get right there. Barely ate it.
All right, we're gonna go to Crackers, Tom.
Heading out to Cracker Tom's. Didn't do too much here. They took our spot, but we kind of moved out the way, so. Look at all these birds. the new spot. See what we can catch. Hey, we should go over by the trees.
Where we going to? We're gonna work our way that way.
Nothing so far. Got a drum. Oh my god, he just freaking peed or something. See? He's fat. Right when we're about to eat a sandwich.
Sandwich in a minute. We better get a few bites while we can. Rather have a trout. They might be in that middle right there. Bass or a sheephead or a drum. And don't just be letting slack on it, just keep turning. It's a good bass.
Beautiful execution.
Beautiful on the grill.
Now that he's all dirty. Try that again. You little tooth. Okay, bye-bye.
That motherfucker ain't that big, is it? Me just talking shit.
Should be big enough.
It's big enough, but that ain't what I'm talking about.
Little baby floundy. He's 12.
13.
13. I'm taking a chicken break. Called a drum. Where's the pliers?
Slimy.
Look at his whiskers.
Stingray.
Drum.
Porpoise or something I tried to eat.
I want to see. Don't make any sudden movements. Thank you. So throw it back. Really
we
pretty.
got 9, what the hell?
We have 9. we threw one bag. So 9 good spot tail bass. We had about 4 or 5 good trout, a flounder, 2 or 3 drum, and we still have a little bit of bait left over. So I called that a good day. And we got to see the dolphins. That was cool. So pretty good day. But we set up the cleaning table. We gonna clean some fish. That's dinner.
In the juice long enough to really
Get hard.
I'm looking at him do like 100-pound halibut. I said, what? He just went around.